Welcome to the channel, folks. I want us to look at calculus differentiation. Today, I'm going to be taking you through differentiation using the chain rule. I'm going to do that very slow so that everyone understands and master this rule. First of all, if it is a rule, it means we should be able to state and understand it. Now, next step, let us state this chain rule. It says, if y is a function of u, and u is a function of x, then, let's continue with it. The derivative of y with respect to x is the derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to x. Remember, we said y is a function of u. That is why we differentiate y with respect to u. And we said u is a function of x. That is why we differentiated u with respect to x. Now remember, what we are doing here, we are trying to differentiate the given function in terms of x. Let's take an example which will clarify this. Folks, here comes a question. Determine the first derivative of y is equals to 2x plus 8 2x plus 1 all raised to power 8. Now, using the chain rule, we shall apply the rule as it is given to us in order to differentiate this function, which is y, with respect to x there. Now, it is very important to make sure that you understand what we are saying here. Let's move to the solution of this now. What I did, I wrote u as a function of x. I said, let u be equals to 2x plus 1. That means u is a function of x, which is what we mean there when we say u is a function of x, folks. Please understand this. I want to always explain the importance of understanding the rule and mastering the rule. Okay, let's move on. Now, I am saying to you, if 2x plus 1 is equals to u, that means that y is equals to u to power 8. Remember, y was 2x plus 1. We said let 2x plus 1 be equals to x. It means let 2x plus 1 be equals to u. It means where we see 2x plus 1, we shall substitute with u, and we get that function. Now, the next thing is to apply that. Remember, we have a function u, which is a function of x. Let's revisit differentiation first so that we are all clear with what is happening. Remember, in calculus now, we say if a function y is equals to a times x to power n, then the derivative of the function y with respect to the variable x is a, that a was there, it is here, multiplied by n, which was the exponent. We multiply the exponent by the numerical coefficient of the variable x. Then from the exponent we subtract 1. That is differentiation, folks. Now, let's move on to our solution. Now I'm saying, according to the chain rule, this is true, which is what we were given before there. Never forget this. I said I'm going to emphasize this. Please now, bear with me, because it is very important. Now we differentiate. I'm now going to differentiate u with respect to x. Remember, the derivative of a constant is 0. Remember that. Now, I take the exponent of the variable, I multiply it with the numerical coefficient of the variable. 2 times 1 is 2. I subtract 1 from 1, which was the exponent there. It is 0. X to power 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. That means the derivative of u with respect to the variable x there is equals to 2. I have now differentiated that. Remember, this is from this and the rules. Now I'm moving on to differentiate the function y, which has the variable u. When I differentiate this, I multiply the exponent by the numerical coefficient of u, which is 1. 8 times 1 is 8. I subtract 1 there. 8 minus 1 is 7. It comes from there. Now, the derivative of the function y with respect to the variable u is equals to 8u to power 7. Now we have differentiated these two. The rule, chain rule, states that if y is a function of u, y here is a function of u, and u is a function of x. You see u there, it is the function of x. Then the derivative of y with respect to x is the derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to x. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to now apply the rule. The derivative of u with respect to x is 2. Derivative of u with respect to x there, multiplied by the derivative of y with respect to u, multiplying it by the derivative of y with respect to u. Remember now, the u here is equals to 2x plus 1. That is why you see 2x plus 1 back. We simplify this now. It gives us 2 times 8, which is 16, multiplied by 2x minus, sorry, it is not a minus, 2x plus 1 to power 7. We have differentiated this equation or this function with respect to x using the chain rule. Folks, thank you very much. Subscribe into our channel, and again I want to say to you thank you for watching. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you get the new work every day. Don't forget to invite your friends. Don't succeed alone. Let us succeed together. Thank you very much, folks.